Disney besties. We are gosh, we've got a week left, that's all I know. We checked into Coronado Springs yesterday and I was actually falling a little bit poorly with the flu, so I literally spent the whole day sleeping. I think Jason was pretty exhausted as well because I think he got a few hours sleep, but I have woken up feeling really bright and refreshed. I've still got a little bit of a cold, but you know, we keep rolling with it. It is such a beautiful morning, guys. Look at this, look how stunning. So our room is literally right behind me and we are in cutest 4 at the Coronado Springs, and we've got like a pool right over there. There is a bus stop literally back there, and they upgraded us to a water view, so when we come out of our room, this is the view that we have. I mean, come on, that is absolutely stunning. Yesterday we had dinner at the quick service here at El Mercado and it was beautiful. We both had a chicken alfredo pasta, which was absolutely delicious. I'm in a breakfast from El Mercado. I went for the empanadas. I can't remember what's in there. I think it's like cheese, chorizo, came with hash brown and pico de gallo, which is like a bit of like a salsa thing. It looks so good. Let's try it. I've always wanted to try empanadas. I don't think I've ever had them before. Huh? Mm. That's really nice. Mm. It's spicy, it's really good. We're not sure what we're going to do today. I think we're going to go Hollywood Studios because we didn't go yesterday. The day is really beautiful. It's so blue and it's sunshine and it's beautiful. So let's see where we end up today. Hello from Coronado. We are now all ready and we're going to be going to, what was it? Oh yeah, it's a little millimeter centipede. We are already about to head off to Hollywood Studios. I'm wearing my Chippendale bag, this dress, my Chippendale ears, and with these lovely socks, which I love. These were from Shein or Temu, I think they were from Temu. Yeah, this is my Chippendale inspired outfit, so hopefully we'll get to meet the duo later today and I can get some really fun pictures. And let's show what you're wearing because I love your t-shirt actually. So
Temu inspired.
Is this Temu?
Yeah, everything up.
It's so nice. Like literally, wait, let's see. That is so nice. I really like that. So yeah, it's a beautiful sunny day. Sorry about my voice, guys. I still have a cold. But let's hope being out in the sun will help. But yeah, we're off to have a Hollywood Studios day, so let's go and have some fun.
I think it's the first time we've been in Hollywood Studios since we've come. A lot busier to what we're used to. But luckily, I think we're just doing mainly shows and stuff today, so they're based on time performances anyway. Which sunglasses?
I think you can tell you can meet around here.
Yeah, let's go around here then. Someone must meet Chippendale today. She's the third member. She's who's your Chippendale and chocolate. Oh, chocolate chip. Chocolate Chippendale.
Oh my god. Sounds awful.
Chocolate chip.
I don't know if that was just during Christmas time, like special, if they always meet there.
Well, we're gonna find out.
There's nobody there.
There's nobody yet, they're not there.
Oh man.
So you dressed up as a chocolate chip for no reason.
No, everything.
That's annoying actually, because they come to resorts sometimes.
Yeah.
It's actually a really nice day. Wait, what are they queuing for?
Restaurant.
Oh, it's prime time.
Maybe
It used to be on the end, didn't it? And there's no queue there,
That was just Christmas at the back.
yeah. Yeah, maybe.
I'll ask someone.
It was right there, innit, before.
Yeah. Maybe that was just during Christmas
Yeah,
time.
because they were wearing Christmas hats, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh,
We'll see
here's
what time
Indiana
the
Jones,
show's
yeah.
on.
I wonder if they'll close this when the new one opens up.
Yeah, of course they will.
Because the new one's in Animal Kingdom.
Oh, you didn't expect it? I didn't. No, of course you didn't. Yeah. All right. Oh, here, my dear friend.
You'll get a way better angle. I'm okay, I appreciate. I know, you always deliver.
They're celebrating 10 years of anniversary.
Thank you, thank you.
Now to make it 15 more years.
I know, I heard.
Love it.
Your bag is so cute. I'm obsessed.
Wait, there's a bag of Chip and Dale. Oh,
Look at the purse. And the staff. Obsessed.
I don't think she's a real fan. Nothing.
Sandwich. Look at husband first, big smiles. Beautiful. Now look over to Vanille's camera. Awesome.
Warsaw. He was good. He was very good.
Don't leave me here by myself!
I thought about it. Where are you going?
Mom!
Going down.
Oh, great. Now we're trapped.
Not yet. Aaron, I think I found a way out.
Got her.
Have to jump.
Jump. Wait, wait, wait.
Come on!
Oh, just Jessie.
And Woody. Yeah, that. Wow, yeah.
I was just going to get a very good video of them without the family.
Alright, looks so cool, but still ain't got a clue what any of this stuff is. That coffee one.
I don't know if it's yeah. What is it? So we got this drink, but we thought it was going to be something else with cereals, but it's not. But okay.
I don't know why.
But we're in Star Wars land, but it's okay. You're going to try it and see how it's going to taste. That's alright. We'll try it anyway. And we're next to this thing. You might like it because it looks like your type of thing.
It's actually quite nice.
What does it taste of?
It's like fruity.
I'll try it. What's in it?
Those are nuts. So those are nice.
Let's go see what was in it. We have no idea. We're in Star Wars land. We don't know what is what. It just says Swirl Crunchies cereal.
Swirl Country cereal.
Yeah, it's actually quite nice to be fair. It's your type of drink though, with sweets and stuff on it. But we wanted the other cereal drink, didn't we, with the chocolate cereal Nesquik on top. But that's okay.
Coffee, that makes sense.
Yeah. This is alright.
I still find it though.
Even she was looking at us for ages like, why are you not taking your drink? Is this a restaurant? I think it's a restaurant. Oh, good. It's 50-minute wait.
Given travelers in Mandalorian will be choosing from this crowd, so please have those devices out and ready. You may pull your crowd or group forward at any moment.
Once upon a time, in a faraway land, a young prince lived in a shining castle. Although he had everything his heart desired, the prince was spoiled, selfish, and unkind. One winter's night, an old beggar woman came to the castle and offered him a single rose in return for shelter from the bitter cold. Repulsed by her haggard appearance, the prince sneered at the gift and turned the old woman away. But she warned him not to be deceived by appearances, for beauty is found within. She had seen that there was no love in his heart, and as punishment she transformed him into a hideous beast, and placed a powerful spell on the castle and all who lived there. If he could learn to love another, and earn their love in return, the spell would be broken. If not, he would be doomed to remain a beast for all time. As the years passed, he fell into despair and lost all hope, for who could ever learn to love a beast? Captive inside a dark and foreboding castle, inhabited by a very odd collection of characters.
Master will be furious if he finds out what we're up to.
Well, we don't have to tell him.
There is nothing to worry about.
No, nothing. Just our entire future.
Oh, pish posh.
Hello there.
You're our guests for dinner.
We'll keep it simple.
What are you talking about? What's going on? Come on, Mom.
Come along, Chip, dear.
Oh dear.
No need to worry.
We'll keep it simple.
Hi.
Stop! Stop it, I say to you!
Never felt this way before.
Something sweet and almost kind, but he was mean and he was coarse, not refined. And now he's dear and so unsure. I wonder why I didn't see him there before. Oh, careful.
She glanced this way, I thought I saw. And when we touched, she didn't shut right in my paw.
We're not safe until he's dead. We'll come
stalking us at night. Such a sacrifice would kill her to his monstrous appetite. Are we having our good? Did we let one that free? So time to take some action, boys. It's time to call the mist, the wood, the darkness, the shadows, the nightmare is one exciting ride. Say a prayer that we're there at the doors of a castle and there's something truly terrible inside.
Now got ready for dinner. We literally spent the whole day at Hollywood Studios. It was so amazing. We saw the villain show for the first time. That was so cool. Like, honestly, we've heard a lot of mixed reviews, but I really liked it. And I think Jason really liked it as well, didn't you?
Good.
And we just like came back. Jason used the gym, I went in the pool, and now we're ready for dinner. We're going to try and see if we can get into Three Bridges. Please mind all the best behind, but we're going to try and see if we can get into Three Bridges. I'm absolutely starving. Let's go see where we end up at dinner, because I have no idea where we're going to end up. Guys, I can't get over this resort. Is so stunning. Like, look at the sunset settings and the music. I just can't deal. And with this water and with this bridge, it's just like so stunning. It's so pretty. There's quite a lot of people waiting there, but oh, that family looked like they were taking away food. Some people might be ordering. Okay, so let's see. Hopefully,
There's a lot of tables there, bro, so it should be.
there's a lot of tables there. And look, that group's moved. So let's see. This is such a pretty walk. Look at this. It's stunning. Let's see. Oh no, I'm not gonna. So Jason's just ordered a starter for himself. What is it again? Guacamole and salsa.
Shrimp something.
But I might be able to try it because the shrimp looks like it's just
You
there.
can have the guacamole,
I can have
yeah,
to try some guacamole.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to try it? Or use it? Never think to put shrimp with like chips. They're nice. I think they said it was like fresh guacamole.
That guacamole is so nice.
Really? I'm gonna try it now.
Yeah.
I have it without the shrimp.
Guacamole is good.
Guacamole is so fresh. That's really good. We both ordered steak frites for our main, so hopefully that's really nice. Dinner's come, so we've got paprika fries, steak with chimichurri sauce, and like arugula salad. Is it nice? I think you just had chips, didn't you? You said it's really nice. Okay, I'm gonna try it too. See. Sorry for how I look, guys. I'm just really tired. Paprika fries are really nice.
Steak so soft, you're in the bottom though.
Steak is always really tasty. Are you enjoying that?
Very good. Very good.
So good. Oh my gosh, guys, EPCOT fireworks are going on. I can't deal. They're literally right behind Jason's head. EPCOT fireworks. So pretty. Wow. So pretty. This restaurant's literally so beautiful. Then we got EPCOT fireworks as well. How pretty.
Very nice.
Very nice, very